Hey everybody, decided to do a quick video here. Had to take a break from the Camaro because I need to get this this trailer back in here and get this thing finished up. This was a camper that I had that I'm making into a car trailer. So I just beefed up the regular frame, took off the original axle that was on it, put a couple of mobile home axles, wheels and tires because I had them, and you can see these inner rusty ones are the original frame. Just used matched up. That was 3-inch excuse me, 3-inch channel, so I just added more 3-inch channel. I added 3 more pieces across there, one down the middle and one on each side. Made the standard deck 14 feet, and then I'll add a either 16-inch or 2-foot drop down on the back of that, so it gets it lower to the ground. This is just kind of for hauling cars and, you know, like maybe half-ton pickups and that type of thing. Nothing real heavy. I got the big trailer for that. Plus I got another tandem axle trailer that I can flatbed that I can do it. But this one's lower. I didn't reverse the axles, but it'll be low, especially with the drop back on it. It'll be low enough to put a car, make it easier. Like when I loaded up the Camaros on the big trailer, it's really tall, so I had to do some work to get it to keep from dragging as it's going up on there. Anyway, I wanted to add some rails to the top, but I also wanted to be able to put, like if I want to put a pallet or something with a forklift or forks on the tractor onto this trailer, something like that, you go to the front here, and it is a little difficult when you're over the tires, of course, because the tires have a, you know, by the time you put a fender on there, you can't really come in from the side. But to put a pallet, for example, on the front of this thing, if you got rails here, you can't really set a pallet down. So what I did was I made these rails so they're removable. You just take and you slide the rail into the slots. I'll just put a nut on here. I'll drill a hole, put a nut in there, or I could screw in a small bolt to lock in. Same with the front. If I want to take that off, I got the rails. Now, of course, the uprights in the front, I added the extra upright for the strength, but you don't load from the front anyway because you got the tongue and all that stuff on there. But the sides can both be removed. That'll work. I got red fir decking that I've already cut on the sawmill that I'm going to put on this. I got the, oh, what do I got in here? I've got, of course, pigtail. I got new LED lights to go on it. I just ordered 50 feet of 7 wire cable to run the lights. Of course, these axles do have electric brakes, so I'll get that. So I have electric brakes, I have my lights. I think I got some clearance lights left over from when I did the 1-ton. When I redid the 1-ton bed, so I got clearance lights. Should have everything basically to finish this trailer up now. I do need to get a tube for this one tire because it's got a screw in it, so it's flat. But other than that, these tires are really good shape. I got 4 good chunks of rubber for those, and it should be a decent trailer. Once I get her all finished up. Then when I get that done, when I get this done, get this out of here, then I'll get the Camaro back in here and get to working on that again. So, until then, remember everybody, don't ever run out of projects. Take care, everybody.